If you see the message, "There has been a critical error on this website," it means WordPress has encountered a serious issue that can crash your website, preventing visitors from accessing it, and even locking you out of the WordPress admin area. So in this video, you'll learn the most reliable ways to fix this error step by step. Hey guys, it's James from GigaPress.net. What causes this error in WordPress? This critical error usually happens due to a faulty or incompatible plugin, a theme conflict, corrupted WordPress core files, or your server running out of PHP memory. Now let's start with the fastest solutions first. Check for the WordPress recovery email. In many cases, WordPress automatically sends an email to the site administrator with the subject, "Your site is experiencing a technical issue." Make sure to check both your inbox and spam folder. Inside that email, you'll usually find a recovery mode link. This special link allows you to log into your dashboard with the broken plugin or theme temporarily disabled. Once logged in, WordPress will clearly tell you which plugin or theme caused the error, so you can deactivate or remove it safely. Deactivate all plugins. If you can't access your WordPress dashboard, use an FTP client or your hosting file manager. If you're connecting your site for the first time, click the link in the description for a complete step-by-step guide. Once your site is connected, go to the root folder, usually public_HTML or your domain name, and locate the WP-content folder. Inside, you'll see a folder named Plugins, and rename it to plugins_old. As soon as you rename this folder, WordPress will automatically disable all plugins. Now refresh your website. If the site loads, that confirms a plugin was causing the error. Now, rename the folder back to Plugins, then rename each plugin folder one by one, and refresh the site after each rename. This helps you quickly identify the exact plugin causing the issue. Switch to a default WordPress theme. If disabling plugins doesn't fix the error, your active theme may be the problem. Using your FTP, go back to the WP-content folder and open the Themes folder, and rename your active themes folder. When WordPress no longer detects your active theme, it will automatically fall back to a default theme, which often restores access. Now refresh your site again. If the site loads after this, your theme is the source of the error. In that case, you can either update the theme, reinstall a fresh copy, or contact the theme developer for support. Enable debug mode to find the exact error. If the issue still isn't clear, enabling debug mode can help identify the exact problem. Using your FTP, go to the root folder and open the wp-config.php file. Find this line. Replace it with, save the file, then refresh your site. WordPress will then log the error details inside wp-content/debug.log. This usually points directly to the broken file, function, plugin, or theme, which makes troubleshooting much easier. Increase the PHP memory limit. Another very common cause of critical errors is running out of PHP memory. To fix this, open your wp-config.php file. Before the line that says, "That's all, stop editing," add this line. Save the file and refresh your website. This gives WordPress more room to run resource-heavy plugins and themes, and increasing this value can immediately resolve the error. If none of the previous steps work, here are a few advanced checks you can try. Reinstall WordPress core files. If none of those steps solve the issue, it's possible that WordPress core files were damaged. Reinstalling them can fix the issue without affecting your content. Download a fresh copy of WordPress from wordpress.org. Then upload only the wp-admin and wp-includes folders via FTP, overwriting the existing ones. Do not touch wp-content or wp-config.php, since those contain your themes, plugins, and settings. This process safely replaces corrupted core files without affecting your content. Repair database issues. Sometimes the problem is with the database. Database corruption can also trigger critical errors. If database tables become corrupted, WordPress may throw critical errors. You can repair them by temporarily enabling the database repair tool inside wp-config.php. Open your wp-config.php file and add this line. Once done, visit this site. yourwebsite.com/wp-admin/maint/repair.php and click Repair and Optimize Database. Once finished, remove the repair line from wp-config.php. Check file permissions. Incorrect file permissions can also trigger critical errors in WordPress. To check this, access your website using FTP or your hosting file manager, then locate your WordPress files. Start by verifying your folder permissions. All folders should be set to 755, which allows WordPress to function correctly while keeping things secure. Next, check your files. All regular files should be set to 644, which gives WordPress the access it needs without exposing your site to unnecessary risks. Finally, locate your wp-config.php file. This file contains sensitive information, so it should be set to 600 or 640 for added security. Once the permissions are corrected, refresh your website and check if the critical error is resolved. Once you've made changes, don't forget to clear caches. Clear your browser cache, your hosting cache, and any CDN or caching plugin you're using. Cached data can sometimes make it look like the problem still exists even after it's already fixed. Testing your site in an incognito window is a quick way to confirm whether caching is involved. If the error still persists after all of this, it may be time to contact your hosting provider. Hosting-related issues such as PHP misconfiguration, limited resources, or server-level errors can also trigger critical errors. Contact your hosting provider for help. Good thing, GigaPress WordPress hosting provides excellent customer support. If you're hosting with GigaPress, you're not just getting help, you're getting a reliable partner committed to keeping your WordPress site running smoothly. Thanks to our quick resolution, whether you use live chat, phone, or support tickets, we have some of the fastest resolution times in the industry. So, ready to experience hassle-free hosting? Visit gigapress.net/web-hosting. And that's it. Now you understand what causes this critical error and how to fix it step by step. You can now recover your WordPress site safely. For more WordPress tutorials, our free WordPress masterclass, and fast and reliable web hosting, visit gigapress.net. Thank you, and see you next time.